Quite often, and I think about you. I come through here quite often, and I wonder what you do. A wrong turn at the corner, I could say I got lost. A confusion of memories where two streets crossed. The vision I remember is eyes through the steam, coming off the coffee and rising off the cream. And I don't even know you, and I don't mean to stare, but I know what you're thinking. I can see that you dare to care about people and look into their lives as you hand them a spoon, as you polish the knives. You reach out and touch one every once in a while, with offhanded wisdom or a lopsided smile. Now they say don't talk to strangers. I say why the hell not? If you don't talk to strangers,